Alright guys, we're on baseline in the city of Highland. They got a guy on the curb here. Sheriff's Department. So we'll come up here and see what they're doing. Looks like he's got, is that a skateboard or a bag or something? I don't know. Well, wasn't that interesting? Let him go when I get here. That's interesting. That's interesting. Not a coincidence though, is it? Was it a shakedown probation parolee or what? But then how do they know they're on probation or parole? Good question. Yeah, it's a scooter that he has. She sure is watching him intently. She keeps saying we're gonna go. Have a good one after he was just handcuffed and put on the curb. He's like, have a good one after he's sitting on a curb handcuffed. He went through his stuff. Just saying.